I I missed one train, guys, because it was extremely rushy, and I don't want the same situation happening with me again, where I have to like fight for even little bit of space to stand in the train. So I will go in the next one. I hope the next one at least comes, which is not exactly that filled as this train. Let's hope for the best. And yeah, I'm on the way to office right now. I'm wearing a green sweater, as you can see, with this white detailing. I like it a lot. It's off-white actually, which looks really pretty. Also got some new nails yesterday. Like I put new nail color basically. And yeah, had breakfast poha with some almonds. I forgot to carry water today, so my bottle is there, but it's empty. Like it's crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna go to office only and fill my water bottle because there's no other option. And I'm gonna wait for the next train, which is gonna be here in 3 minutes. And yeah, today is one of those days where I had to physically push myself to be here. I was like trying to be as productive as possible. So I did log in on time, maybe like a little away from my on time. I literally woke up at 9. Yeah, just announcing. So yeah, I literally got up at 9 and I just got up, logged in. I was on screen since 9 and now I'm going to office. So yeah, let's see how the day goes. I hope I have a good meal today. I hope the day goes very, very well. And that's all for now, you guys. See you in the next one or see you in some time. When I reach office, I'll vlog back again. Ta-ta, till then. Hi guys, I am here at Chai Point. Oh, Chai Point, sorry. I'm here at Vedic Chai having turmeric milk. Let me show you guys. Weather looks like it's gonna rain, okay? And I was just like thinking, why didn't I get an umbrella today? But luckily I got some turmeric milk, so I'm happy about it. Only thing, I hope that I don't get wet in the rain because that is gonna cause fever and all of that. And the turmeric milk is very, very hot, so I'm gonna skip having it right now. Just gonna enjoy the green that you see on the back. People are walking, people are actually going back home. I came to the office today like a little bit late, so I also think I'll be leaving late. I just hope that rain is not going to cause any problem and I'll not no problem going home, because you know what happens whenever I go home late, or sometimes when I travel when it's raining, the prices are super high, okay? Like for auto and even for going till the metro station also, prices are literally double. And if I go in rain, like I kind of like feel I'll fall sick and all of that stuff. So I try to take an auto home, and when I do that, it's way too expensive. It's like 800 bucks and stuff. And cab also costs about 1.6ish k or 1.2k sometimes, not 6. 6 is like 1.6 is way too much. I am telling you like a very high pricing, but in general it is quite expensive. So I was like, you know what, let me just commute at a time when it's not raining and when it's better. Look, I really wanted to rain, okay? Don't get me wrong, because right now everywhere it's like a drought situation. People are not having water to drink also. But on the flip side, I just hope it doesn't rain when I'm commuting. It's very simple. Anyway, for lunch you've already seen I had a bowl of, it was peri peri potato mushroom bowl from California Burrito. It was a mini bowl which I had. Also, I was sitting with two other people today for lunch. I don't know them, okay, because there was like, we have a huge table and it was empty. Only one person was sitting, so I went and asked her if I could sit with her. She said another person is coming along to sit with her, and apart from that, there was nobody else. So I just sat there, had food. They also left, and I was still eating. I tried to watch some series along with my meal, and I ended up watching what was the series? Goblin. The Goblin series. It's a Korean drama. I don't know the exact name, but I'll put like a picture over here so you can like check it out. It's a nice one. I have rewatched it many times. And it's, I think, Guardian and something something. Okay, I don't remember the name now, but I'll put the poster. So it was nice. I enjoyed watching that a little bit, and I also took a walk till Vedic Chai. I'm going to finish my turmeric milk and go back to work, and I guess I'll see you guys soon in another part of this vlog. Till then, let me know in the comments what is going on with you guys. How are you doing? What's happening? What's new? Let me know. I would love to read. Yeah, because comments is the only place, the comment section is the only place where I know what is going on, and that's how you guys can talk with me. I love talking to you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon with another part of the vlog. Until then, take care. Ta-ta. Pretty good. My face fat has increased so much. Like, quite honestly, when you just see me in the camera right now, in this video also, side mein, it's looking so motu motu. And I've also got like a pimple which is insane. Let's just hope that the pimple goes away. I've been using the acne patches. Yesterday I was using one, today also. So yeah, that's about it, I guess. Walking back to the building. We'll resume work. The time is about 3:15 p.m. right now. I'm not sure if I can commute because a couple of things are pending. There's no backlog. I never keep backlogs. I always kind of finish my work on time, that's for sure. But apart from that, just going to go work, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. I almost lost my ID card. Luckily, someone helped me. They had it with them, as in, they saw my facial expression and recognized me and said, "Your ID card is there." I literally had to run back. I'm so happy I got it, and I'm going back now. It was extremely crazy. Like, I'm not even gonna tell you how crazy it was. So I was filming, right? I was vlogging basically. So vlog karte waqt kya hua? I didn't want my ID card to be hanging around my neck. So I basically just kept it next to the stool. And when I kept it next to the stool, I was sure that I will get it back with me. But I got up, not stool, that katti, which was basically a bench made of stone. So I thought I'll get it with me. And then what happened was I forgot. I walked till the building, my office building, and that's when I realized, oh, I don't have it on me. Like, it's not on my neck, it's not in my pockets. I was sure that I lost it. I was about to go into full panic mode, but I thought, let me retrace my steps. Let me go back in time, as in not back in time. Let me just go back to wherever I was, and I'll try to like figure this out. So what I did was I walked back. I literally almost ran, okay? Like, not runny situation, but I did like a fast walk, like a brisk walk. And some buddy there, like three women who are also like obviously employees because it's only the employee space. One lady saw me and she quickly just went to get my card and she's like, "It's yours, isn't it?" I said yes, and I said, I'm so happy you recognize me because of my ID. That's when she said, "No, it's not because of that. It's because your facial expression was telling quite a lot." And yeah, I have fleck of face, which is pretty much an open book. So whatever happens, it's just printed on my face, pretty literally. So yeah, I took my ID card, came back in, and I am again sweating so much. Had like this thing where I walked a lot in the morning. Also, I was like sweating. 4 or 5 tissues was completely wet with sweat. Now again, I am back to the same situation because of this, but it's gonna be okay. I'm just grateful I found my ID card and it's here.